Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I'm so glad to have you on this channel. This channel is an educative channel that is going to dwell on various courses and various issues. This channel will be providing tutorials on various topics as it borders on the concern of you out there. In this channel, we are going to be looking at various courses and topics ranging from financial accounting. We're going to be looking at some courses basically from the bookkeeping aspect of accounting. We shall also take various tutorials on taxation. Shall be dwelling on various topics under taxation. Then this channel will also concentrate on some topics as it borders on management information system. Furthermore, we shall do some more tutorials under our computer studies. We are going to be taking a whole lot of tutorials. Then we shall proceed further to look at some tutorials on accounting software. We are going to majorly focus on QuickBook and PeachTree accounting. We are going to be taking a whole lot of tutorials. If you are interested in learning these packages of accounting software, please, I want you to subscribe to this channel so that when I release videos on it, you'll be able to follow these tutorials and you'll learn these packages. We're also going to be looking at data analysis softwares under this channel. We're going to be taking a whole lot of tutorials. We're going to be looking at starting from Excel. We'll be looking at physics of Excel. We're going to proceed further looking at SPSS, that's the statistical package for social science. We're also going to look at eView. All these are analytical software for data analysis. Then we shall proceed further in looking at one of the current analytical software, which is STATA. We shall also be looking at various packages as it borders on data analysis software. I want you to join me in this channel by subscribing because it promises to be a swell time having you in this channel, and I want to promise you, you will never regret. Please don't forget, hit the subscription button so that when I release these videos, you will be a part of these tutorials. Thank you very much.